So I'll just start the recording. So the first question is the growth and reproduction of all organisms. So they depend on uh, the four choices are there: the division of cells and tissues, the division and enlargement of cells, the division and enlargement of cells and tissues, the enlargement of cells. The answer is the division of and enlargement of cells. Reason is there has to be a cell division followed by cell enlargement. And we are not including tissues because tissues do not undergo cell division and cell enlargement. Tissue division and tissue enlargement is not there. It is only cell division and cell enlargement. That is the reason B is the answer. So duration of cell cycle in a typical eukaryotic cell, such as human cell, is about how much is the duration of the cell division in eukaryotic cells such as
24 hours.
very true. So it is 24 hours. So in case of yeast, what is the duration in case of yeast?
90 minutes.
20 minutes.
Very true. So the duration of cell cycle in a typical eukaryotic cell such as human cell is about 24 hours. That is the answer. Third one, the two basic phases of cell cycle are, is
Interface
it
and
mitosis and meiosis, mitosis and kinesis?
Interface and M phase.
So, or is it interphase?
C.
Very true.
Interface and M phase.
C, sir.
So the right answer is interface and M phase. Interface has this G1, S, and G2 phase. M phase includes karyokinesis like prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase, cytokinesis. So M phase includes both karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Okay, so they all come under these two major phases, that is interface and M phase. The phase between two successive M phase is called. What is that phase between two successive M phase called as?
Interface.
Yes,
Interface.
fourth one, D is the answer, interface. So three phases are involved in interface R. Which are those three phases involved in interface?
Option E. Option A.
Yes, G1, S phase, and G2 phase. So the three phases are G1, S phase, and G2 phase. So these are the three phases involved in the interface stage. Sixth one, select the false statement. That implies three statements are correct, one statement is wrong. So you have to identify the wrong statement. Interface lasts more than 95% of the duration of cycle. That is a right statement. Interface includes cell division and DNA synthesis. Okay, it does not include cell division. Interface does not include cell division, isn't it? Okay, so the B is the false statement. And see what they have given. So they have given it as S phase is the second phase of interface and is the longest phase. Fine. In both G1 and G2 phases, synthesis of RNA and proteins occurs. So these are all correct statements. Interface includes cell division and DNA synthesis. That is the wrong statement. So sixth one B is the wrong statement. Okay, so which is correctly labeled? See, this is the diagram that you have to draw in your examination. If this is what the diagram they have given in your uh, textbook also. So this is what you have to draw. But here the labelings are there, names are given. So they have not given it here. So which is correctly labeled? So you have to look into A, B, C, and D. Okay, so A is going to be G0 phase, B is going to be G1 phase, and C is going to be S phase, D is going to be G2 phase, E is going to be M phase.
M phase.
So the
Option D.
D, D
D.
is the right answer. So A is going to be the quiescent stage or G0 phase, B is the G1 phase, C is the S phase, D is the G2 phase, and you can notice this E is nothing but the M phase. So D is the answer for this So this is a diagram oriented question that they have asked, and you should answer it accordingly. Which of the following represents actual cell division?
Option D.
Very true. The
M phase.
option D
Option D.
represents the cell division. Okay. Option D, M phase, is the answer. Now, the ninth question, the cells that do not divide further, they exit G1 phase and enter an inactive stage. So they enter an inactive stage. So what do
Quiescent
you
stage
call
or G naught stage.
the quiescent phase or G naught phase? Okay, so they are nothing but the quiescent or G naught stage. So the answer for this is that do not enter, divide further and exit G1 phase and enter inactive stage called as quiescent or G naught stage. 10th one, the cells that do not show division are. So they have given different choices: epithelial cells, heart cells, megakaryocytes, neurons, skeletal and cardiac muscle cells, neurons, bone marrow cells, and muscle cells, hemocytoblasts, heart cells, and epithelial cells. So the first and last one, partially they are right. See, heart cells, they do not undergo cell division, that we know about. Now, neurons are also there, which do not undergo cell division. So we have to find out the correct choice for this 10th one.
Option
So the
B.
10th one is option
Neuron,
B.
cardiac muscle.
Neuron,
Okay, sir.
skeletal, and cardiac muscle cells, they do not show cell division. After maturity, they do not show any cell division. So this is the right answer. Okay. So 10th one, B, is the answer. 11th one, given below are some statements regarding mitosis. Select the wrong one. So
Option C.
three statements would be correct and one statement is wrong. Let us read all those statements. It is the cell division. So they are talking about mitosis. Mitosis is the cell division occurring in somatic cell. It is a correct statement. Mitosis is also called as equational division, as the number of chromosomes in the parent and progeny cells is same. That is also correct statement. It occurs only in diploid cells. Uh, so that is also correct statement. It helps to retain the same chromosome number in all somatic cells. So see, it occurs only in diploid cells. I don't know whether how much it is
So it
correct.
occurs even in haploid cells.
Yes. So statement
It
C
occur
should
in
be wrong.
haploid cells of some mosquitoes.
Okay. So statement C is the wrong statement. It also occurs in haploid cells. Mitosis also occurs in haploid cells. So it occurs only in diploid cells is a wrong statement. Okay. So this is third, 11th one, C is the wrong statement. The correct sequence of stages in karyokinesis is, I think this is easier question. So you can answer what is the correct
Prophase,
sequence?
telophase.
Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase is the correct sequence of stages in karyokinesis. Okay. The longest and shortest phase in mitosis is, which is the longest and shortest phase in mitosis?
Prophase and anaphase respectively.
Very true. So prophase is the longest phase in the mitosis, and the shortest phase is anaphase. So 13th one, A is the answer. Prophase and anaphase. Prophase is the longest phase and anaphase is the shortest phase. In animal cells, during S phase, DNA replication begins in the dash and the centriole duplication in the dash, respectively, you should say. The
Nucleus,
answer is
cytoplasm, respectively.
yes. The
Option A.
DNA replication begins in the nucleus and the centriole duplication in the cytoplasm, it takes place. Okay, only in animal cells, not in plant cells. Plant cells, there are no centrioles. You should remember about that. Only in animal cell division, you find the centriole duplication in the cytoplasm. So 14th one, A is the answer. 15th one. So you have to match the following. So prophase, chromosomes at equator, uncoiling of chromosomes, condensation of chromosomes, chromatid moves to opposite pole. So prophase is, what is going to happen in the prophase? Condensation of chromosomes is taking place. Okay. So the metaphase, chromosomes are at equator, isn't it? Anaphase, what is going to happen? Chromatids move to the opposite poles. C4 it is. Telophase, uncoiling of chromosomes. D2. Okay. So C4, D2. So D is the answer, isn't it? So here D, they have all the right choices. Prophase, condensation of chromosomes is taking place. Metaphase, it is going to be chromosomes at equator. Anaphase is going to be chromatids move towards the opposite pole. Telophase, uncoiling of chromosomes. So D is the correct answer, where it is 3142. For A, B, C, D, it is 3142. They are the choices. Which of the following does not occur during late prophase? Okay, so each chromosome splits into, it is not early prophase, late prophase they are saying. Each chromosome splits into two chromatids attached together at the centromere. Okay. The nuclear envelope, nucleolus, Golgi complex, and endoplasmic reticulum disappear. So chromosomes form uh, two sister chromatids. Condensation of chromosome continues. So which of the following stage does not occur during the prophase?
Option C.
So chromosomes form two sister chromatids that does not take place during late prophase. Chromosome forming two sister chromatids, it does not take place during late prophase. So this is the uh, wrong statement for prophase. Remaining are all the correct statement. So the 17th one. In animal cells during late prophase, the centrioles move to opposite poles and radiate out astral rays, or move to equator and radiate out astral rays, move to equator and radiate out uh, spindle fibers. See, it is at late prophase they are describing what is happening to the centrioles. Move to opposite poles and start uncoiling of chromosomes. So the 17th one, A is the answer. They move to opposite poles and radiate out the astral rays. In animal cells during late prophase, the centrioles move to opposite poles and they radiate out the astral rays. Okay. 18th one, regarding prophase. Prophase is the first stage of mitosis. Okay. Prophase is marked by the prophase follows S and G2 phases of interphase. Prophase is marked by the initiation of condensation of chromosome material. The centriole, which had undergone duplication during S phase of interphase, now begins to move towards the opposite poles of the cell. So now the right choices you have to check. All are correct statements. Only 1, 3 are uh, correct statements. So only 2, 4 are correct statements. Only 1, 2, 3,
Four are correct.
all are correct statements. All the answers are correct. See,
But
prophase is the first stage of
prophase is,
mitosis. Prophase
interface is the
follows
first stage.
what, ma?
Interface is the first stage, no, sir?
See here what they have asked. Prophase is the first stage of mitosis. They have not asked cell cycle. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So prophase is the first stage of mitosis. First phase of cell cycle is G1 phase, gap 1 phase. Understood about it?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
they
sir.
have
Thanks,
asked
sir.
about mitosis, not cell cycle. So you should read it carefully. So prophase follows S and G2 phases of interphase. That is right. Prophase is marked by the initiation of condensation of chromosomal material. Yes, that is also right. The centriole, which had undergone, just now we solved that, undergone duplication during S phase of interphase, now begins to move towards the opposite poles of the cell. In the late prophase, it happens. So all the four statements are correct statements. That is the answer. All are correct statements. Okay. The spindle fibers disappear during which stage do the spindle fibers disappear? So is it in the prophase, metaphase,
Telophase.
anaphase, or telophase?
Telophase.
The answer is telophase. The spindle fibers disappear during the telophase stage. The figure given below represents transition to late prophase, transition to metaphase, transition to anaphase, transition to telophase. So the answer is transition to metaphase. Before they arrange themselves on the equator. So the early metaphase, you find this, the chromosomes will be freely distributed in the cytoplasm, but they'll be having the spindle fiber attachment. In the late metaphase, they will be arranging themselves on the equator. Okay, so this is the stage before they arrange themselves on the equator. So it is a transition to metaphase. From prophase, they are transitioning to metaphase. In that stage, you notice this. Okay, so this is the answer. 20th B is the answer. The stage represents transition to metaphase stage. So which of the following options gives the correct sequences of events during mitosis? So we have to say which of the following option is the correct sequence of events during mitosis. Condensation, nuclear membrane disassembly, crossing over, segregation, telophase. See, mitosis it is. So it is not meiosis. There is no crossing over. A is not possible. Condensation, nuclear membrane disassembly, arrangement at equator, centromere division, segregation, telophase. Then the C, they have given condensation, crossing over. So when once crossing over comes, you can rule out that possibility. D, condensation, arrangement at equator, centromere division, segregation, telophase. So there
Option
is
B.
condensation, nuclear membrane disassembly, arrangement at equator, centromere division. Okay, segregation, telophase. So this seems more appropriate because they have skipped a step. The nuclear membrane disassembly is not here. Otherwise, almost all the steps are the same. Okay, so the B is the right answer. Condensation, nuclear membrane disassembly, and then arrangement at say equator, centromere division, segregation, and telophase. So the 21st, the answer is B. 22nd, which of the following is not the significance of mitosis? So there is a wrong significance here, which we have to identify. So four statements are there. It produces diploid daughter cells with identical genome. So this is a correct option. With identical genome they have. It helps to retain the same chromosome number in all the somatic cells. That is also correct answer. It restores the nucleocytoplasmic ratio that was disturbed due to cell growth. That also is the right answer. It causes genetic variation due to crossing over in the population of organisms. So this is a wrong answer. It causes genetic variation due to crossing over in the population of organism is a wrong answer. This takes place in meiosis. Crossing over and genetic recombination is a step seen in meiosis, not in mitosis. Okay, so this is not a significance of mitosis. D is not a significance of mitosis. Cytokinesis in plant cell is different from animal cell due to the presence of. So is it large vacuole, cell wall, chloroplast, all of these?
All of these.
I think the answer is cell wall. Cytokinesis in plant cell is different from animal cell due to the presence of cell wall. So the question is 23rd. So the 23rd B is the answer. Okay, 24th, which is not occurring in cytokinesis of plate. So we should find out which is the odd one here. See, the vesicles formed from Golgi bodies accumulate at the equator. Cell plate is formed. A cleavage furrow is appeared in the plasma membrane. The cell plate becomes the middle lamella. So C is the not happening in plant cell division. A cleavage furrow is seen only in the case of animal cell division. So it is not seen in case of plant cell division. So cleavage furrow is appeared in the plasma membrane is a wrong statement. It does not take place during plant cell division. So C is the answer here. Meiosis occurs during gametogenesis, body growth, tissue repair, crossing over. So meiosis occurs during
Genesis.
gametogenesis is the right answer. Okay. So 25th, A is the answer. Which of the following is not the key feature of meiosis? Okay. So there are three correct statements. One is wrong. You have to identify that. It involves pairing of homologous chromosomes and recombination between them. This is correct. It is a key feature. It involves two cycles of DNA replication and cell division. This is wrong. It involves only
B
one
is the
cycle
answer.
of DNA replication and two phases of cell division, that is meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. So the B is the not the key feature of meiosis. So it involves two cycles of DNA replication and cell division is not the key feature of meiosis, because in meiosis there is only one cycle of DNA replication and two cycles of cell division. So then the other choices that they have given is meiosis 1. So this is the uh, not the key feature. Anyway, let us read the other two one. Meiosis 1 begins after replication of parental chromosomes to form identical sister chromatids at the S phase. Okay, so that is the correct answer. Four haploid cells are formed at the end of meiosis 2. That is also the key feature of meiosis. So B is not a key feature of meiosis. Choose the correct sequence of events of prophase 1. So now, how will you choose the correct sequence of events of prophase 1? I had given you uh, uh, the mnemonics, if you remember, LZP D square. So
D, sir.
D is the answer. First one, D. So LZP D square. That is leptotin, zygotine, pachytine, diplotin, uh, leptotin, zygotine, pachytine, diplotin, and diakinesis is the right answer. Okay. 28. Match the following. So this sort of questions are frequently asked in even in CET and in case of NEET examination. So match the following. So you should be thoroughly remembering. You see here nearly your thoroughness of five concept is checked in one question. So this sort of unique questionnaires you find only in biology papers of multiple choice question. So leptonema, what is the things that are going to happen during leptonema? So there is the formation of long slender chromosomes, isn't it? So leptonema, zygonema, what is going to happen during zygonema? Synapses. Okay. Pachynemia, what is going to
Crossing
happen
over.
during?
Crossing over.
Okay. So the question is 28th, isn't it?
Option B.
So leptonema 4, long slender chromosomes. Zygonema is synapses. Pachytene or pachynemia is going to be the
Crossing
crossing
over.
over. Diplonema or diplotin, the D part of it is going to be the chiasmatum. Diakinesis you notice the fully condensed chromosomes, because see, all these 5 stages are what? They are prophase 1. Okay, next stage would be metaphase. So in metaphase, you will be noticing the fully condensed chromosomes that will happen in the diakinesis. See, I was searching for this terminalization of chiasmata. So that is the important step in diakinesis. Instead of giving that, they have given here formation of fully condensed chromosomes. That is the reason I took some time. So anyway, B is the right answer. So 43251. So that is how it is. Leptonema, it is going to be long slender chromosomes are formed. Zygonema, there is synapses. Pachinema, there is the crossing over. Then diplonema, there is chiasmata formation. And E diakinesis, so terminalization of chiasma or fully condensed chromosomes are formed. So that is the first stage. So during zygote, similar chromosomes start pairing together. So it is called as, what do you call that process where
Synapses.
synapses? C is the answer. Similar chromosomes, they start pairing together. And what are those similar chromosomes called as?
Homologous chromosomes.
Homologous chromosomes. Each pair of homologous chromosome is called as,
Bivalent.
very true, they are called as bivalent. So each pair of homologous chromosomes is called as bivalent or bivalent. So the 31st one, crossing over is the pairing of homologous chromosomes with the help of a complex structure called synaptonemal complex. That is not the answer. So the exchange of genetic material between sister chromatids of a chromosomes in presence of recombinase, that is also not an answer. Always it is the exchange of genetic material between non-sister
Non-sister
chromatids.
chromatids.
Okay. The pairing of non-homologous chromosomes with the help of a complex structure called synaptonemal complex, this is also wrong. So the D, the exchange of genetic material between non-sister chromatids of two homologous chromosomes in presence of recombinase. This is the exact explanation of crossing over. Crossing over is the exchange of genetic material between non-sister chromatids of two homologous chromosomes in presence of the enzyme recombinase. So D is the answer for 31st question. Kinetochore is located in centriole, centromere, chromatids, centromere. The answer is centromere. So recombination is completed by the end of which stage? See, recombination is completed by the end of which stage?
Diplotin.
See, it is recombination is completed by Pachytene stage itself. Diplotin chiasmata, you can notice synaptonemal complex, dissolution of synaptonemal complex. But crossing over recombination is completed by the end of Pachytene itself. Okay, LZP. The third stage is Pachytene. At that stage itself, recombination is completed by the end of Pachytene. So 33rd, B is the answer. 34th, the short stage between two meiotic divisions is called, the short stage between two meiotic division is called interkinesis. So that is the short phase between two meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. We call it as interkinesis stage. Thin threaded stage refers to leptotin, zygotin, pachytene, diplotin. So where do you find the thin threaded stage? It refers
Leptotin.
to, very true, leptotin. So 35th, long slender chromosomes I told you about, leptotin. Number of chromatids at metaphase is, how many chromatids are there at metaphase? Two each in mitosis and meiosis. Uh, two in mitosis and one in meiosis, two in mitosis and four in meiosis. So number of chromatids at metaphase they are calling, asking one in mitosis and two in meiosis. So what are the number of chromatids at metaphase? So what is the answer for that?
Two each in mitosis and meiosis.
Yes, very true. They both have sister chromatids, two each in mitosis and meiosis. I was just checking out metaphase 1 and metaphase 2 in meiosis. In both metaphase 1 and metaphase 2, they have number of chromatids at metaphases. Two sister chromatids are there. Only in the anaphase 2, the sister chromatids split, and in anaphase of mitosis, the centromere splits and sister chromatids separate. So two each in mitosis and meiosis is the answer. Yeah, this is the answer. So the total number of reproductive cells required for the formation of 128 gametes in man. What is the total number of reproductive cells required for the
128.
formation? So you have to multiply it by 4. Okay, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So answer
32.
is 32
32.
cells, because the outcome of the meiosis is 4 haploid gametes would be formed. So 32 mother cells divide to form 128 gametes. Okay, so the spermatocytes, they divide to form 128 sperms in man. Match the following. Mitosis in plants. So onion root tip, isn't it? D. And meiosis in plants. Where can you study the meiosis in plants? Young flower buds in Tradescantia, you can notice that meiosis in even in the young flower buds of onion, we do study it. So mitosis in plants is D. Second one is G. Third one, mitosis in animals. So you have to exhibit mitosis in animals. Uh, so where do you inner cheek cells? Fine. So mitosis in animals is A. Okay. Then meiosis in animals, testis of grasshopper. So I remember having done it in the my zoology part of it at degree level. We had to exhibit meiosis in grasshopper testis. So that I remember it. So I'm very sure about it. Meiosis in animal is in the testis of grasshoppers. Okay. Cell plate formation. Where do you find the cell
In
plate formation?
plants.
In plants. So fifth one is C. Okay. So fourth one is B. Fifth one is C. Sixth one
In animals.
in animals, E. Colchicine, seventh one, inhibits spindle fibers and leads to polyploidy. So there is no formation of spindle fibers and it leads to polyploidy. So that is C is the answer for 38th one. Okay. So 38C is the answer. So that completes our discussion for today's paper. Okay. So any doubts you have or any question you want me to repeat it again?